Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have a Ipsy GlamBag Plus unboxing for you guys. So I have to say, this month when it came to Ipsy and what's the other box? BoxyCharm, I felt like Ipsy knocked it out of the park. I wasn't too impressed with my BoxyCharm, but my Ipsy, I was over the moon excited with this because I felt like I got everything that I wanted. So everything in here is absolutely amazing. So the theme for the month of August 2019 is Bear Yourself. So I will say my only disappointment was that it has been taking forever for my Ipsy bag, my Ipsy GlamBag boxes to come. I know I do add-ons, I know that creates a delay, but they are coming like the last third of the month. So I'm always late getting my videos up, which is disappointing. So I do have one add-on to show you guys, and I went ahead and I grabbed one of the, I believe it's called SS Glam brushes. These are the ones that have the really pretty glitter ferrule on them. I'm trying to find my other one here. So here it is. I actually used it today for highlighting. So I bought this before from Ipsy, and then this is another one from the same company. These are really nice brushes, and they're only $3 when they pop up on add-ons. So sticking with brushes, this month I did get a set of the Farrah Be Beautiful BU brushes, and these are absolutely gorgeous. I've seen some people got the ones with the silver ferrule. I did happen to get the ones that have the ombre. I'm trying to pull up my thing so I can give you guys a price. These have a retail value of $50. Honestly, do I think they're worth $50? No. Maybe like a $15 brush set. Let me go ahead and pop these open. Yeah, the handles on these are super cheap. They are plastic ferrules and that kind of stuff. So I definitely don't think that they are worth the $50 price point. But to get them in my Ipsy, that's what they all look like. To get them in my Ipsy and to have brushes that are super cute, like look at the ferrule on those handles. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm literally going to stick them in my brush cup right now so I can use those, because those are definitely a keep for me this month. So then I got the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. They went ahead and they sent me the shade Fair, which I'm glad they sent me because clearly, if you guys can't tell, I'm on the fair side. This has a retail value of $39. Ooh, that's kind of scary. So for being fair, that is the color that is in the tube. So I don't know, that might end up oxidizing on me. I'm going to give it a try. If it doesn't work, I have a cousin that I will pass that down to. But I was definitely excited to get a foundation because BoxyCharm, BoxyLuxe, they never send foundations. And I'm definitely open to trying new foundations. I don't buy a lot of foundations because I get nervous about trying foundations. So that's the point of me signing up for these beauty boxes, is I like the idea. I'm going to get sent products that I typically would not buy on my own, and it gives me the opportunity to try them. So I did receive a lipstick. This has a retail value of $30. This is the Finding Ferdinand lipstick in Au Naturel. So the tube looks like that, and it's really cool because you literally, let's see, let me turn it the right side. So it looks like that, and you press and it pops out. So really cool, and look how gorgeous that color is. That color is absolutely beautiful. It's right up my alley. I'm putting this right into my makeup collection because this is an item that I will definitely use and get a lot of use out of. So I have two items left to show you guys. One is a skincare item, and this definitely sold me on the box. This is the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. It has a retail value of $39. I absolutely love and adore Murad products, and this cleanser is a hefty size. This is a huge tube. So I was super excited to get this in my GlamBag Plus. That, like, sent it over the top. The last item I was once again over the moon to receive because the colors in this look absolutely gorgeous. I'm actually familiar with this brand. This is the Balm Cosmetics, and this is the In the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 2. So we got that. That's what the palette looks like. And it comes with 4 shadows, a highlighter, a bronzer, and 3 blushes. So this is a near all-in-one palette. You are going to need like a brow bone color and a transition. But for the most part, this will definitely help you condense your makeup bag. So that is what the colors look like. So the colors are Meat Matte Trimini, Nude Dude, Infirm. So the first one is Matte Read. I'm reading from the box, so be patient with me. The third one is from the Rockstar palette. It's Alice Copper. Then the last shade is Meat Matte Adore in Matte Russo. We have Mary Luminizer, Bahama Mama Bronzer, Down Boy Blush, Frat Boy Blush, and Insta Stain Blush. So that is everything that I got this month for my Ipsy GlamBag Plus. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing with me. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Bye, everyone.